How to prevent your fresh green Matoke bananas from turning like this. So when you keep the Matoke bananas just outside for long without using it, or rather without utilizing it, it turns like this, you know. I usually say it reduces in the size. Some of them even ripe, like this one. This one is ready to be even spoils. See, this one is already, it's already ripe, like little. This one is ripe. So if you keep for long, depending on the variety, they will ripe. But most of the time, it turns black. I usually say it loses moisture and becomes small in size. So let me show you how to keep this fresh Matoke banana fresh for long until you're ready to use. All you need is just a cling film. We just want to trap the moisture inside so that our bananas will last longer. And the best way to do it is to usually say you keep them in. These are good size to keep them. You can do it one at a time, but I feel like there's a lot of work. See, they're all wrapped up, and this will just keep it longer for you to utilize them when you're ready. You can use cling film, that's what is available for me. You can use airtight containers if you have bigger ones. You can see how big these these Matoke bananas are, or you can use Ziploc bags. That will also serve the purpose. Don't charge my fridge. Then when that is ready, you'll just keep it at the bottom of your fridge and then utilize it when ready. Yep, that's all you need to do. And then you'll be removing it when you're ready to use it. And they'll always be fresh when you are ready to cook it. Let me know if you have any other tips. Bye.